What's up? And welcome back to another vlog. And you can see our vlog from a brand new place, a new house.
Yep.
And this is our office space, by the way. Look at that. And in our matching PJs. So we are super excited. It's almost matching.
Yeah.
So we got our PJs and it is super duper cold. So anybody who's familiar with North Carolina knows that people who move from Florida, people living in North Carolina can spot them because we are like, and then they are like,
jackets
chill.
and boots.
So anyways, welcome once again. Marvel is being naughty.
He's grabbing the dustbin behind us.
Look at it. He's gonna run away with that.
And he's going to our room over there.
So when it's a lot of cold out there, we are adjusting to the cold, but we are enjoying, loving our new place. I know you guys all must be very excited. People who follow us on Instagram can see the glimpses of the house every day. And we will do an official tour once everything is
we're gonna take our time for that. Once we're done with the whole house, only then we are going to do it. Meanwhile, while we vlog, you can always see the house around us and everything.
So we are taking our own sweet time, and today, by the way, is 24th.
Yeah, so it's been few days we are here.
Today is 24th of November. It's been roughly 9 days now. But trust me, we couldn't do vlog because it was super hectic. There was no time to do anything but to like manage the movers, and then we found few things that needs fixing in the house. So that stuff was going.
Marvel,
did we break it?
Marvel, wrong, baby. Yes, he broke it.
There goes my Batman dustbin. He has never done that, but anyways. So that was the thing. We are in our office space like I showed you, and that's our family room downstairs, or living room. And I am gonna be making dinner right now because Tanya is editing the vlog and Marvel is fighting with Tanya. Who did this?
I'm giving him the dustbin. No, as soon as you came in, he gave me the dustbin. He was fighting with me.
Wrong.
Wrong. This is wrong, Marvel.
Daddy told you not to do that. Who's gonna buy me the new Batman dustbin now?
Look at the dustbin.
Who chewed that corner?
Oh. I don't know where to put the dustbin.
Keep it on top or somewhere. I'll figure something out later. So anyways, that's our bedroom in there. And let me tell you one thing. Besides this, we actually had no winter clothing whatsoever. Literally like very thin sweaters, and the temperature here actually gets snowy. So in December and January we are expecting some snow. So you can imagine the cold that is about to hit us. So we were just, and we have no plans, you know, after moving we had no plans to, like, due to COVID, also do like shopping, whole day shopping or something on Black Friday. But we went and we got some great deals and cheap woolen clothing, winter clothing. So we are gonna show you that as well in that time. But first, she's gonna finish editing the vlog of our journey here. You're gonna watch that one before this one. So, and I'm gonna go start cooking, and excited to share something that we got new.
Yes, we actually got a lot of stuff new that we haven't showed you yet.
Yeah.
I took my socks.
By the way, the Christmas tree is lit. It's not completely decorated. We are still decorating the Christmas tree. It's not completely done. Welcome downstairs. This is our family room. You can see the TV is still on the floor. So there is still work that's going on in the house. This is Tanya's favorite place.
Oh yes.
The nook area, the breakfast table. If you guys do not follow us on Instagram, there's gonna be an Instagram handle right below at the bottom of this screen and in the description box. So go check out our Instagram, give us a follow, and check out all the little stories and glimpses of the house until we post the complete video. Alright.
Going upstairs to complete the video?
Alright. And I am gonna go cook. So I'm cooking, and there's dough in the fridge, so we are gonna make chapatis. We really want to eat something simple tonight. We actually got this new grill, and yesterday we had a grilling night with Yashu and Ashley. So those are new subscribers, those who don't know, can you please not do it? Wrong. So for those who don't know who Yashu and Ashley are, they are my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law, Tanya's bro. And they were here. They live in Durham in North Carolina itself, and so they were here yesterday. We have been grilling. We grilled wings, we grilled paneer, we grilled potatoes yesterday. So it was a delish night. And today, as you can imagine, with all the moving and stuff, we have been like barely being able to eat home. It's like 2 days only that we started cooking at home. So finally we want to eat a real simple food and that is dal, chawal and bhindi. So let's cook some delicious meal. I won't be showing any recipe because this is not gonna be like I said, very simple home cooked meal. Okay, so bhindi is in there. Let me show you. Dal is cooking in there, and I have my cucumbers over here. And I don't know about you guys, how many of you like to eat cucumber while cutting the salad? Like, is there ever a time that you cut a cucumber without eating a single piece? Not with me. Dough is ready. I'm gonna make some rice. Tanya is done with her editing. She just published a video. So keep watching the videos, and if you haven't subscribed, go hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment. Come on people, what are you waiting for? Anyways, I'm gonna make some rice. Dal will be ready in 8 minutes, and so will be the okra, and then the atta is ready. So we are all set for a delicious meal. Oh, by the way, for those who are wondering what kind of okra I made achari style okra with tawa fry masala in it. So I added some onion seeds, kalonji, along with it I added some onions, some green chilies, a little bit of coriander powder, tawa fry masala, chaat masala, or you can use dried mango powder, and that's it. And I'm gonna let it cook, simmer until the okra is cooked, and then I'm gonna just let it cook on an open flame without the lid for some time. That's it. It's that simple.
Alright, our meal is ready. Nice and simple. Bhindi, dal, roti and cucumber. And we have already made some rice. So we have been watching TV like this on the floor because we haven't put it up yet. We're gonna call professionals to do that. And then rice is here. Marvel's sitting there. We're watching Mile 22. Let's go eat our food. And it's so cold. My feet are so freaking cold right now. That's that I'm heating some hot water to put in my hot water bag so I can be nice and cozy and then eat our dinner. So let's go eat our dinner.
Alright guys, so we are done eating our food, our dinner, and we completed a movie that we started in afternoon. And I am super full, and I had butterscotch ice cream. So let me know if you like butterscotch ice cream. Not just any butterscotch ice cream, the one from Vadilal that is being sold in India with little caramel and the nuts in it. So caramel chunks and the nuts. Tanya does not used to like the ice cream, butterscotch ice cream, but when she tasted this one, ooh, this is the best.
Especially the coffee bites.
Yeah.
Caramel coffee bites.
So anyways, before we hit the bed, there's one more thing. Like we promised, that we went to Old Navy today and got some winter clothing for us. So let's check it out. Alright, so we have cleared out the tags to make this process faster. So let's start.
Alright, the first thing that I got is this super cute light blue color jacket from TJ Maxx. It's full sleeve, it's super soft, very nice fur. And then I got this brown sweater. Again, it has like the big stitching like so, you can see. Super cool with jeans and some boots. And then I got these socks. They are so thick They're actually socks, shoes, right? Because it has a shoes thing in the bottom that you can wear, and they're
just
super.
You can wear like in home. You can
At home, and it has fleece inside, and they are so thick. You can see, they're nice. And then I got this black leggings, not leggings, like what is it called? Stockings basically. He knows more than me. Black stockings that I can wear under skirt and shorts when it's cold. And then I got this legging. Basically this is black legging with fox fur here. So look at the detail, it's so pretty. It's gonna look so good when I wear it paired with some boots, ankle boots or something like that. And then I got some gloves. Let me just wear it really quick. And also this gloves has the tips so you can use your phone over here. So yeah. And okay, so this was,
those who are wondering, I was gonna say,
yeah, I was gonna say
like $2.
These are $2 from Old Navy. And now the shopping that I'm gonna show you after this is
all from Old Navy.
All from Old Navy. I got this light green color jogger. It's so nice, and you can wear it in summers and winters. And then I got this sweater dress. Let's see. Can you see it properly? Yes, you can. Paired with some boots and cap. It looks so pretty, muffler. And it's gray color. Yeah, it's gray color, and it's
super
very
thick and bullet.
Yeah, it's very thick. And then I got myself an onesie.
Onesie, onesies, I don't know.
So many people call it different names. I know it as onesie, and I love the print. And the final thing is my coat. Got this coat. You can see it is black and white. This is how it looks. It is textured and like so, this long. So that was my shopping from TJ Maxx and Old Navy. Now comes group.
And I got this cool beanie. So in Florida, I never had to buy beanies or caps a lot, but here I definitely need, and I love wearing beanies. And then I got this PJs.
Where did you get this? Oh, okay. I thought this was shorts.
No, I got this PJs, and then I got
Keep the best for the last.
Very cool muffler here. I had one, and then I love the shade and the print. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that. So that's that. And I really love this jacket. It's waterproof.
Oh my god.
So that's a wind cheater kind of jacket from Old Navy. I love the color. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of a teal blue. Super chill. And then I got a long coat for myself. I have always wanted to have a long coat, and they are always so goddamn costly everywhere.
Yeah.
So I finally found it at Old Navy, and it was like 30 something bucks, 34 bucks or something. And
the quality is so good.
And it's super thick, it is super cool. And I'm gonna pair this gray colored long coat with this muffler. So you will see us wearing all of this, and that is it.
Yeah.
For me.
And I also got one boot from TJ Maxx, which is in the shoe rack, and I got this also from TJ Maxx that I'm wearing it right now.
And these are by Nine
home
West.
Slippers.
Nine West.
Yeah, these are from Nine West. So these are home slippers, which is gonna keep my feet, cold feet, warm.
So well, anyways,
that was our little shopping.
I don't know how many of you shop from Old Navy, but they have very cool discounts going on. I think
50% off.
Yeah, everything 50% off.
And I also got this PJ set from Old Navy. It's super comfy.
Yeah. Anyways, that was it. If you guys wanna go hit Old Navy, feel free to do that.
But before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because we told you about the deal.
Yes. Anyways guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed our comeback real strong. So keep enjoying all the videos. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share, like, otherwise she's gonna come and beat you up. You don't want that when she gets angry. So anyways, we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.